Hey guys, welcome back to part 7 of the Study Sketchbook Series 4. I hope you like this simple piece. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
To me this way, it's making me cry every time you give your love to me this way, saying you wait for me to stay. You give your love to me this way, maybe I change for you someday, but I can't help the way I feel. Wish I was good, wish that I could, but I can't help the way I feel. Say were walking slow, drinking a Slurpee in a peach baseball cap, falling in my lap. You were so thirsty, thirsty. You whispered your love when you feel it out.